a triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are so and so. Advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So there is a flyover. There is a flyover bridge, and the base of the flyover bridge is of triangle shape. There is a triangular shape, and the length of the three sides are given here. 122 meter here, 22 meter height. This is 120 meter. Okay, this is not specifically mentioned that here it is forming right angle or not. So it is not given. It is not sure. So here we have to find out the area of this triangle by which formula? Heron's formula. ये ट्राइंगुलर वॉल है, ये ब्रिज का वॉल है, इसके ऊपर एडवर्टाइजमेंट करते हैं, है ना, अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स का, एमडीएच मसाला, ओके, और एनीथिंग, और कंपनी को फिर इनको पेमेंट करना पड़ता है. क्या भाव चल रहा है? एक मीटर स्क्वायर का 5,000 रुपये साल का. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर मीन्स इतना बॉक्स. ओके, इतना बॉक्स. दिस इज अराउंड 1 मीटर स्क्वायर. इतने का 5,000 रुपये पूरे साल का. ओके, दिस इज द कॉस्ट. राइट, अंडरस्टूड? सो how much the company has to pay if the company has used this wall for how many months? 3 months के लिए. So first let us find out कि यहाँ पे actually में total area कितना है. So here we got A, B, C. Write down ABC. What is ABC? 22 meter, 120 meter. It is not necessary कि इसको smaller से greater में लेना है. It can be any three sides named as A, B, C, any three. Then the first step is to find out semi-perimeter, which is S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. So S is equals to 22 plus 120 plus upon 2. Not cut, plus. First add them. 264 divided by 2. 264 divided by 2. 130. So S is equals to, you will get 132 meter. You got S. First step is clear. After finding your S, we will go for area of actual formula. Area of triangle. First, a big under root, starting with S. S minus A, B, C. Put the values. S 132. 132 minus 22. 120. Clear? We put the values. Now next step. What is the sign between these brackets? Here, multiplication. So here we got 132 multiply by 132 minus 22. 110. 132 minus 120. Only 12. And 132 minus 10. Now what you have to do? You have to take out the square root of this. So to take out the square root, do the factorization of each. 132 in rough. 2 odds are 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 6 are 12. Next you say, Gracie. Yes, 233 are. Next you say 3 11s are. And next Astha 11 ones are. Okay. So Here we got 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Next for 110. Okay, so Vrunda, 110 starting with 2 5 is 10, 1 carry, 2 5 is 10. Next, Janvi, 5 1 is 5 1 is. Next, 11 1 is. Okay, so here we got 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. Next, we will do for 120. Sorry, 12, 12, 12, 12. Or 12 tens also we can do. 12 means, you tell me, 2 6 are, 2 3 are, 3 1 are. So here we got 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, and 10 is 2 5 are. Okay, next we need to make pair. पैर बनाना है, अब जोड़ी बनानी है. ओके, और पेंसिल को लेके हम अंडरलाइन करते जाएंगे जो जो का जिनका पैर बन गया. सो दिस टू इट इज 2 square. Okay, this 3, any other 3? Yes, 1 3 here. So 3 square. Next pair 11 11 11 square. Next pair 2 2 2 square. Next pair 5 5 5 square. Next pair 2 2 2 square. Every pair is formed here. No number is left alone. So जिनका भी square है, all that number will come out of the square root. Okay, so 2 into 3 into 11 into 2 into 5 into 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 into 11, 66 2s are 132 into 5. What is 132 half? 132 into 10. 1320. So here you got 1320 meter square. Area has the units of square. Okay, so area, this is the area. But is this the final answer? हमको cost निकालना है. So cost of advertisement for how many months? For 3 months. Okay, so everyone see, this is the total area 1320. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का कितना है? 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का इट इज गिवन ₹5,000. बट ये तो पूरे साल का है. ओके, तो हम पूरे साल को डिवाइड करते हैं मंथ से. सो डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 12, बिकॉज पूरे साल में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? 12. सो लुक, ये 1320 टोटल एरिया मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 5,000. ओके, ये हमें पूरे साल का अमाउंट देगा. मंथली फाइंड आउट करना है तो डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 12 एंड देन अगेन मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 3, बिकॉज कंपनी इसे कितने मंथ्स के लिए यूज करने वाली है? 3 मंथ्स. ओके, so by solving this, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 1320 4 before 13, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 3s are 12 and 0. What is 330 multiplied by 5,000? That is 33 5s are 33 into 5 is 165. गुड. बाकी की यहाँ पे 3 और यहाँ पे एक 4. सो 1 6 5 1 2 3 4. The amount will be कितना? 16 lakh. The amount is rupees 16 lakh 50,000 फॉर एडवर्टाइजमेंट फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 3 months.